We're walking in parking garage E at Tysons Corner Center in McLean, Virginia. And now it's time to play Will It Get Stuck? Featuring Rainbow Dash. Will it get stuck? Here we are. KONE EcoSpaces. Let's press it. It's a KONE. That I'll go on my own on this one. Let's go down to 1.
You're on 2. Come back to 2.
Let's go down to 1. Here we go. Time to play Will It Get Stuck? Here you're on 1. Go to 7. Going up. Oh, hold on. Which floor you got? Which floor you guys going to?
Yes, please.
Which floor you guys going to?
2.
2?
Yes, please.
Which floor you guys going to?
2 also.
Which floor?
2. Yeah.
2? Yeah.
Thank you so much.
It's a KONE EcoSpace. I got stuck on this when I was 6. I was stuck on this when I was 6 years old.
It's terrible.
Here are. There you go.
Yep.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. It's actually an EcoSpace. Gonna go with 7. There's Big Brother. Here we go. Oh, these are fast. These are MonoSpace, definitely due to speed.
7 more.
Ooh, fast. Here are 7. 2. 2. Let's ring the bell. Close the door. Here we go. I'm glad I'm reviving childhood memories here.
2nd floor.
Ugh. Just your basic parking garage elevator. There's Big Brother. That's a loud brake. There. Delta, hands-free ADA code compliant phone. Installed in 2007. Not happening. Not happening. There goes and. That's it.